Mean and median. The mean and median iMod is a grade 6 mathematics unit. Teachers in Massachusetts worked with project staff to take a popular mathematics activity and integrate computational thinking into it. In the iMod, students learn about the central concepts of mean and median. This video will highlight key activities that help build students' understanding of these measures of center. I'm Kevin Waterman from EDC. Let's take a look at what students will do and learn in this unit. Throughout the lesson, students will write algorithms for a variety of numerical data sets. Then they are challenged to write a generic one that can work on any data set based on their prior work. Their algorithms instruct two bots, minbot and maxbot, to manipulate data on a number line. Students are given the following rules for their bots. The data is arranged like a dot plot using blocks. Minbot starts at the left of the smallest number, the minimum, and maxbot starts at the right of the largest, the maximum. For each turn, the bots are instructed to push one data point, the one closest to them, one spot toward the other bot. The bots continue to push blocks until all the blocks are either stacked above a single number or on two adjacent numbers, then stop. In this example, all the blocks end up on the same number, so the mean is 8. For this second data set, students need to determine the mean for a data set where the data are more spread out and are skewed to one side. By testing their algorithms on various data sets, students start to get a feel for how the spread of data affects the mean. An outlier, for instance, will require the bot to take several turns to push it toward the rest of the data. They also start seeing the repetition in their algorithms and look for ways to write the steps more efficiently and think about applying a critical concept of algorithms, conditions. Here, students may say something like, keep going until all the blocks are lined up. In the second lesson, students create a different algorithm to determine the median of a data set. Instead of pushing blocks toward the center, the bots remove or chomp data points when they encounter them. In this example, there is an odd number of data points. When there's one data point left, the bots stop. That block is on the median, which in this example is 2. And by comparing how the two algorithms work on the same data set, students can get a feel for the difference between the two measures, what the mean and median represent in general and for particular data sets. This reinforces a key mathematics standard about data, how a measure of center is related to the variability of the data set. These lessons can be used to extend any existing curriculum where students learn about mean and median. By taking an approach where students write algorithms, these lessons help build computational thinking skills while also reinforcing the underlying mathematical concepts. The lessons engage students in creating and testing algorithms. They represent their algorithms using a simple symbolic language. By expressing their algorithms this way, they reinforce their understanding of standards from grades 3 to 5 by building their algorithm, and refine their algorithms to look for opportunities to add loops and conditionals to control the flow through their algorithms, addressing the grade 6 to 8 standards. Let's go back to median for another example. What if there is an even number of data points to start with? Students need to be careful about how they make the bot stop, or else they'll chomp all the data points and the median will be lost. In cases where a data set has an even number of points, the process for determining the median provides an opportunity to address another standard. The median for this data set is defined as the mean for these last 2 points. Students already built an algorithm to determine mean. So instead of writing all those steps in the median algorithm to finish their work, students can use their mean algorithm as a function and just call it to complete the calculation. These engaging lessons give students an opportunity to think about, create, and refine algorithms. By having students test their algorithms to find the means and medians for several data sets, they are deepening their understanding of the difference between these two important measures of center. And by working toward creating a general algorithm that works on a variety of data sets, they start using some advanced concepts for algorithms and programming that extend their computational thinking. Visit our website to get this iMod, Mean and Median, and other units for free, and to see tips on integrating computational thinking into your mathematics activities.